What's up, YouTube? You guys already know it's almost game time, so you know how we do each and every Sunday night. I gotta tap in with the family to get everybody ready, to make sure everybody ready, I should say, for the upcoming week, guys. Listen, market opens Monday morning at 9:30 Eastern time, and so I want us to be locked and ready to go. Check it out, guys. We got a jam-packed week with some crazy events occurring, okay? And so there's going to be a lot of choppiness and uncertainty in the market due to some of those things that's going to be taking place. And we still got the Russia-Ukraine hanging overhead. We got COVID cases starting to pick back up slowly but surely. The media hasn't picked up and covered it as much, but if you look around the landscape, you'll see cases on the rise. We also have the Fed meeting this week, Wednesday. I kind of been saying Thursday, I think, but Wednesday, that meeting will take place. And so remember, I've been telling you guys about that upcoming potential crash. Again, depending on if they say something out of what's the norm or what's expected, look for the worst in that kind of situation, okay? Expect the worst, but prepare for anything, okay? And check it out, guys. We're looking for 25 basis points in terms of an interest rate hike. However, if they go with 50, look for a lot of pain in the market, okay? And so again, we look for opportunities in those type of things, and so I want you guys to be doing the same thing. Opportunities mean as plays continue to fall, you look for levels that you like and you dollar cost average your way into it, okay? Right now is not the time to go all in, because as I've been saying, guys, the market still has more room to fall a little bit further, okay? We're getting there, but we're not quite there. And even when we get there, we may trade sideways for a long period of time before making our way back up and trying to climb back up that mountain, okay? So you guys have to know kind of what's at bay for this 2022 year with this bear market that we are officially in now in most stocks, if you will. And then some of the indices are even down 20% or very close to it on the year. So guys, it's a lot. But listen, two things I told you in terms of those that rock with me, in terms of how we are loading up. On one end, we're loading up on cash, okay? Cash is king in a recession. Cash is king in a bear market, okay? Because it gives you the chance to, if you're thinking long term, you have the opportunity to think about what you're buying now and where it will be 1 to 3 years from now, 3 to 5 years from now, so on and so forth. So that's one avenue for those of you that's in that position. Remember, in this game, guys, everybody is running their own race, okay? Everybody runs their own race. And so when you're running your own race, you have to invest based on what's best for you, your family, and your situation, okay? Some of you might be trying to leave the corporate plantation. Some of you might be planning for retirement. Some of you might be planning to buy a house. Some of you might be paying off a student loan. Some of you might be paying off other kind of debt, okay? Regardless of where you're at on your journey, you need to make investment decisions based upon that. And that's why I always stress having a trading plan. And then the second thing we need to be loading up on is our core/pillar plays in our portfolio. So your VTI, for instance, and or your Nvidias or your Apples or your Microsoft or Amazon or wherever you might be thinking you want to have as your core plays, you want to make sure you dollar cost average into those, okay? Because when we see some pain, you got to know that that's time for you to go in and just buy up a little, okay? Or you can always sit back and let the dust settle. Nobody is forcing you to do anything, not buy, not sell, not dollar cost average, not anything. So you can always watch and let these things kind of unfold so that you can see where things may fully fall to and when the actual turnaround/reversal happens, okay? So again, guys, we got a lot on the horizon, but you have to know what you're trying to do. See, for me, I'm investing long term, okay? And I did that to get to this level, and I'm continuing to do that to take it to the next level, because I'm seeing this as an opportunity, as I've been sharing with you. this is an opportunity of a lifetime because I get one more bite at the apple. I crushed 2020, the COVID drop, okay, and then I'm looking to do the same thing. But the difference with this and then, I don't know how long we will be in a bear market. So I'm sitting on my hands, I'm waiting patiently, I'm slowly building out with hopes of, like I say to you guys, 1 to 3 years, this may take off and all will be well, okay? However, if it happens sooner than that, I'm not tripping. I'll be just as happy as everybody else, but my outlook is a little bit longer because we got so many things at play: interest rates, inflation, war with Russia and Ukraine, COVID, pandemic, reopening, remote work. We got a lot of stuff, unemployment, chip shortages, supply chain issues. It's a different landscape than previously, and so you want to factor all those things in terms of the strength of the market, okay? So those just the little things that's on my mind. I will be loading up both on cash when I hit my options out the park. Speaking of options, if you haven't, please consider joining us for the weekly options. I will send those out after this video drops so that you guys can take part in what we will be crushing it in this week. We crushed it last week with our option plays, and I plan on us doing the same thing, especially taking advantage of the volatility that will be in the market on this week with so much certainty, and with the major meeting on this Wednesday, okay, the 16th. So with that being said, guys, I won't hold you up. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.